Hey guys, Mohammed this side back with another video from F16 Media Ltd YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about how we are helping air duct cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney cleaning businesses to get crazy leads and appointments, and of course helping them to generate more ROI. So let's get into it. So basically what we are doing is that we help these companies, these businesses get crazy leads and appointments through advertising and branding. Okay, because just running ads to get leads and appointments doesn't make any sense to your customer. Okay, they need to build trust on you. So we are doing advertising. We target the homeowners who are looking for your services. They're gonna come up, they're gonna fill up the form. You have to call them that, hey, I'm calling from XYZ Duct Cleaning Company. You requested a callback, and you have to call them to book an appointment. Okay, so we guarantee 70 to 100 pre-qualified leads every month to each of Air Duct Cleaning Company working with us. Okay, so you can check out how many leads are coming in, and you can also check our testimonials. In the description there will be a link, www.f16media.agency/start. You can visit the landing page and see how we can take off your business to the moon. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out us anywhere. You can email at hello@f16media.agency. In the description, you will find our WhatsApp number. You can simply WhatsApp us. You can also find a booking meeting link. You can just click on the link and book a meeting with us, and we can show you how we can help you to take off your air cleaning, carpet cleaning, chimney cleaning, gravel cleaning business to the moon. Also, if you are quite skeptical and you have been bored by the marketing agency before, and now you have to take an action again to get more leads and branding for your business, we are open to provide you our clients' details. You can call them, you can ask about our services, our credibility, our communication, and everything that we are offering to other air duct cleaning companies out there. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to get 70 to 100 pre-qualified air duct leads every month? Get started. Click the button below in the link description, and let's get you crazy results. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get every update out there. Peace out. And also, there is one more good news for you. In the description, you will find our Facebook group link where we discuss best strategies, best marketing strategies, best sales strategies for the cleaning companies out there. So the group is absolutely free. Check out that. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and like our YouTube channel. Peace out. God bless you.